Government officials said India's red lines need to be recognized. There is also need for the punitive secondary tariff to go before any meaningful discussion on agreement. The US had imposed 25% reciprocal tariff with effect from August 7 and later added another punitive 25% on India for purchasing Russian oil. New Delhi felt this was uncalled for and officials here said the US was forcing non-trade issues on its negotiations, but with reconciliatory voices from both sides, a possible solution going forward could be India stepping up, purchasing energy from the US while maintaining its imports from Russia. As far as US concerns on agricultural imports are concerned, India may not be in a position to import genetically modified products for human consumption. The Commerce Ministry officials have indicated that the talks on Tuesday will decide what the future trade talks with the US will be. Exporters have said they expect the government to sign a trade deal without compromising the interest of the country. Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review the ongoing trade talks with the US. Trade talks positive. Government says will intensify efforts to close US deal early. The US had imposed 25% reciprocal tariff with effect from August 7 and later added another 25% punitive tariffs on India for purchasing Russian oil. After a day-long talks with US negotiators in New Delhi, the Indian Commerce and Industry Ministry said the discussions were positive and the two sides decided to intensify efforts to achieve early conclusion of a mutually beneficial trade agreement. A team of officials from the Office of the United States Trade Representative landed in New Delhi Monday night. This is seen as a movement forward after the US halted trade negotiations following the imposition of an additional 25% tariff effective August 27 on Indian for purchasing Russian oil. The talks commence at 10 a.m. in Vijay Bhavan, where the Ministry of Commerce and Industry is situated. The Indian team was led by Rajesh Agrawal, Special Secretary. At the end of the day, the ministry said in a statement, acknowledging the enduring importance of bilateral trade between India and the US, the discussions were positive and forward-looking, covering various aspects of the trade deal. It was decided to intensify efforts to achieve early conclusion of a mutually beneficial trade agreement. Both the countries are now expected to launch the sixth round of negotiations, which was postponed last month, with key officials in Trump administration continuing to criticize India's purchase of Russian oil, high protection for agriculture items,